So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use a measure with a slicer in Power BI. So for this tutorial, again, I'll be working with this online retail data set. It has columns like order date, category, profit, and sales. And in the report pane, I have already made one slicer for category field. Over here, we have mainly two categories, furniture and office supplies. And there is one card over here which represents total profit. For this, I have made use of calculated measure, and if you just click on this total profit, you will get to know the formula. So what I'm doing is I'm making use of sum function, and inside that sum function, I'm passing all the profit values. So in this way, I got this card, which is basically my total profit, and this slicer. Now let's say we want to find out total profit generated by only furniture category. So what I will do is I will just select this furniture from this slicer, and as you guys can see, the total profit is 326.07 for furniture category. And if you go for office supplies, then the total profit is 71.10. So in this way, we can use a measure with a slicer in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.